AI is the fastest growing tech in history, but it's hitting a wall, a physical wall of chips, energy, and cost. Right now, only the biggest giants can afford to build the future. The compute power for AI is locked behind corporate gates. Meet the NX1. It's the foundational motherboard for decentralized AI. We're turning the living room cloud into a global compute powerhouse. By aggregating unused CPU and RAM at the edge, NodeLink allows for distributed training and inference. Fast, resilient, and invisible decentralized gatekeepers. Your hardware shouldn't sit idle. With participation units, you provide the foundation for AI innovation and receive rewards for the capacity you share. From fine-tuning healthcare models to secure LLM inference, NodeLink ensures developers are never deplatformed. With 5 years of enterprise-grade security and a 20 NLK token airdrop to get you started, the future of AI is secure, sustainable, and yours. The AI revolution needs a motherboard. Build it, secure it, own it. Join us at nodelink.now.